Did you know a pharmacist risked everything to stop the opioid crisis and ended up making more money than ever? In 2012, Dr. Tony Nguyen noticed something scary at his CVS in Massachusetts. Doctors were prescribing huge amounts of pain pills to people who drove hours and paid cash. His bosses wanted him to fill these prescriptions because they made lots of money, but Tony knew these weren't real patients. They were drug dealers, so he started saying no. CVS suspended him for bad customer service. His career was almost over. Most people would have given up, but Tony documented everything. He kept detailed records of the pressure to fill fake prescriptions. Then he testified in federal court about how pharmacy chains forced workers to ignore obvious drug dealing. His brave testimony helped win major lawsuits against CVS. It led to new safety rules that saved thousands from addiction. Today, Tony works as a consultant helping pharmacies do the right thing. He earns more than his old corporate job and sleeps well, knowing he chose people over profits.